Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix Nvidia Installer Cannot Continue. Okay, first things first, if you encounter the Nvidia Installer Cannot Continue error on GeForce Experience, I advise you to install or download a specific version of GeForce Experience. You can find this version by searching for it online in your browser. Install the GeForce Experience, and it should be fixed. And as simple as it is, hopefully this solves your problem. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now fix Nvidia Installer Cannot Continue. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.